One of the best ways to acknowledge and thank your viewers for supporting your Twitch channel is to create Twitch alerts that pop up when you get a new follower or one of your viewers donates or subscribes to your channel or cheers you on. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and in this video I'll show you how to make custom Twitch alerts as well as share a selection of the best Twitch alert templates you can find at Placeit. Placeit is an online design generator that makes professional branding, promotion, and marketing tools accessible to everyone. It provides you with high-quality designs, logos, videos, and mock-ups that you can customize online and download in a matter of minutes. Let's take a look at how Placeit works by customizing a Twitch alert box template. Go to placeit.net and type Twitch Alert Box in the search bar. Browse the templates, and when you find one you like, click on it. This will open up the Twitch Alert Box Maker. Move to the right side of your template and begin customization of your Twitch Alert template by selecting a color scheme. Work your way down from the top of the settings. Now it's time to choose a graphic. Look through the available graphics. If you don't find one you like, you can enter a specific term in the search field above. I'll enter icon and choose this graphic. Now move to the left of the template to add your text. You can also change the font and font color. Here you can also add additional text or logo if you want to. You can move and resize your text and graphic as needed. If you don't like what you've done, just hit the Reset Layout button to return to the default layout. When you're happy with your design, click the Download button at the top of the page. This will take you to the download page where you have two options for purchasing your Twitch alerts. You can either pay a single fee for your Twitch alert or sign up for a monthly or yearly subscription that offers you unlimited downloads of all Placeit's designs, mock-ups, logos, videos, and gaming templates. Now that you know how to make custom Twitch alerts with minimal fuss, let's take a look at some of the best Twitch alert box templates you can find at Placeit. To try one of these templates, just click the links in the description or browse the other terrific selections at Placeit. Did you enjoy this video? Then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and roundups from Envato Tuts Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.